In today's video, let's see the second part of regulation for emergency training and drills. The link to the first part is given in the description. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 3 Life-Saving Appliances and Arrangements, Part B, Requirements for Ships and Life-Saving Appliances, Section I Passenger Ships and Cargo Ships, Regulation 20 Operational Readiness, Maintenance and Inspections. Weekly inspection. The following tests and inspections shall be carried out weekly and a report of the inspection shall be entered in the logbook. All survival craft, rescue boats and launching appliances shall be visually inspected to ensure that they are ready for use. The inspection shall include, but is not limited to, the condition of hooks, their attachment to the lifeboat and the unload-release gear being properly and completely reset. All engines in lifeboats and rescue boats shall be run for a total period of not less than 3 minutes, provided the ambient temperature is above the minimum temperature required for starting and running the engine. During this period of time, it should be demonstrated that the gearbox and gearbox drain are engaging satisfactorily. If the special characteristics of an outboard motor fitted to a rescue boat would not allow it to be run other than with its propeller submerged for a period of 3 minutes, a suitable water supply may be provided. In special cases, the administration may waive this requirement for ships constructed before 1st of July 1986. Lifeboats, except free-fall lifeboats, on cargo ships shall be moved from their stowed position, without any persons on board, to the extent necessary to demonstrate satisfactory operation of launching appliances, if weather and sea conditions so allow. The general emergency alarm shall be tested. Monthly inspections. All lifeboats, except free-fall lifeboats, shall be turned out from their stowed position, without any persons on board if weather and sea conditions so allow. Inspection of the life-saving appliances, including lifeboat equipment, shall be carried out monthly using the checklist required by Regulation 36.1 to ensure that they are complete and in good order. A report of the inspection shall be entered in the logbook. Remaining subjects will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe to MarinAura for more such videos. If you have any queries or comments, drop it in comment box.